And we're live. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is April 23rd, 2019. Let's get some La Croix. No, it's just called bubbly. Some good old water. Yeah. Hey, I haven't done coffee in a while. Something wrong with me. Only had 2 pots today. All right. BTC USDT. The tether trade on the 1 day for Binance. Let's check it out. Boy, this is starting to get a little nutty over here. Look at all these squiggles and stuff. All right, so we're running up here. We're in my target area. We're still running up a little green today. Not too bad. Let's check out indicators. Not bad. Things are okay. We're going to watch this carefully. We're now in that area where I thought we would start selling off. So we'll see. It could be anywhere. It could be up here that we start selling off, or over here and then start coming down. So I'm going to be on a vigilant watch for seeing when we get a reversal. Let's check it out. $5,510. Stay in it. XRP USD. This is for you guys, not me. Excuse me. You know I don't do the USD trades unless it's Bitcoin. That's the only one. But this is for you, Peter. I think you might like this. Today we're still going down, so we're making XRP today. Awesome. LTC USD. We're going to stay out of this one. Also, look at this pull back here. Terry, this one's for you, pal. I know you love that LTC USD. Stay out of it. Get out. Get out. What are you doing? Get out of there. Down to 74 bucks. Ouch. Ouch. I know you were saying earlier, it was running to 79. Nope. It's Litecoin, man. It's going down right now. XRP, BTC. All right, now we're into the BTC ones. I love this. Check it out. Guys, we're wrecking this trade right here. Coming down. We're making more XRP as we speak. Stay out of it. LTC, BTC, also the same story. Look at this. Boom. I went back in time and filled these in. You can see where I got an excellent I got out of the market in excellent position. It pulled back down, and then I started talking to Terry right about here, and then on the new candle it broke even higher, and that's when I bought. I didn't wait and trade my plan, and I got wrecked. So when it pulled back here, I panicked, sold in weak position. So all this here is a mess. But I should have stuck with my original plan, which was getting out here, which would have been awesome. Still doing pretty good, though. That LTC run-up was amazing. Loving that. LTC, BTC, stay out of it. ETHERIUM. What do we got here? ETHERIUM is coming down to retest that area of support. Let me show you right here what that looks like. It is right. Let's pull that out a little bit further. It's a big one, and it's on the 12-hour, so you can kind of see where I come in at. Oh, yeah, there's the 12-hour. Something happened here. We're going to pull that one down to there. Perfect. Okay, so back into the daily. Let's check it out. We're coming down to that area of support, and we're going to go lower. I'm pretty sure of that. The reason why I think that is because we've got this area of support right beneath it, and I think it wants to just continue its downtrend. So look for it to break through that. If that's the case, we'll pull this out of here, and we'll look for this to be our next target. ETHERIUM, BTC, stay out of it on the 1 day. Bitcoin Cash, ABC, BTC. I don't know. A lot of ABCs there. Okay. I should be a Bitcoin ABC fan, Bitcoin Cash ABC fan. I got an ABC tattoo on my back, so hey, I'm a shoo-in for this one. All right. Long story. But a good one. Not bad. Bitcoin Cash got out here a couple days ago. I think it'll end up being a good position. Right now, it's like ho-hum, whatever. But right now, I should have got out earlier, but it's fine. Bitcoin Cash, stay out of it. Tron, TRX. Oh, real quick on Bitcoin Cash, got a target. There's our target right there. That's what I'm looking for. Looking for it to bust through that Kumo cloud and kind of look for a bounce off of either this support line or this one here. So somewhere around this area. Okay. Tron, TRX, BTC on the 1 day for Binance going down. Oh, shit be sinking. Yeah, we'll just leave that one in there. It's not hurting nobody. But you see our next target, don't you? You see where it's going? Yowza, it's coming down. All right, Theta, BTC. We're nearing that 200-day moving average. The 50-day is cresting over and wanting to arc down now. And yeah, that spells doom. It's coming down. I think it's going to blow past this 200-day. Don't look for a bounce here. I think it's going to go even lower. ADA. Oh, check this out. Man, I got a dry throat. Okay, here we go. ADA, Cardano. I pulled these earlier this afternoon, just kind of glancing at it. Look at these gains. 56% on the come up and then sold. And now we're at 25% on the down low. So that's kind of fun. We're trading this like a genius. All right, Zetcoin, ZEC. What do we have here? Zcash, stay out of it. Below the 200-day. Is there any end in sight? Zec, is this its lowest low? Well, it did get to free down here. Wow. I guess it doesn't hurt to put a buy order in somewhere down here super low and click in case it flashes. But yeah, you never know on these coins. It might be an easy pickup. Here's the deal though. There's no bottom. This is like a bottomless pit. I'm kind of concerned. Even yesterday we were up higher, not at our lowest low, and today we flashed down even lower. So glad we got out when we did. Now Zetcoin, Zcash is kind of expensive. So yeah, this is kind of a bummer, real heartbreak. Well, we'll see. We'll probably do really well on it. Okay. We'll do okay. Ethereum Classic on BTC on the 1 day for Binance. Check this out. We blew through that Kumo cloud like a skydiver. I mean, we bailed out of the plane and just went whoo through the cloud, and we're dropping fast. What do we got here? Oh, there's the ground. There's the ground. Stay out of it. ZRX, 0x. I like trading this coin. I don't know why. I told you before I got an affection for this coin. I don't know why. It's just a little baby coin. I don't think it does anything. I really don't. But it's coming down and we're collecting more coin right now. Dash. We're going to stay out of this one also. Oh, man. I'm starting to look like a genius on the worst position I could have got out of. Like, look at this. This is terrible. Oh, it's okay. We're making good gains. Percentage gains up or down, it doesn't matter as long as you're on the right side of the trade. Basic attention token. Look at this one. Oh, man. Trying to rally here. Go even higher. It's still a buy. Looking good. The best out of the 4 or 5. Well, the best out of the lower 4. Definitely not better than this one. But, yeah, it's not as good as a performer as Bitcoin, but basic attention token has done pretty well. Today, we're going to stay in it. Looking good. Populous PPT going down even further. Look for it to maybe double bottom down at this low down here. That's possible. Let me see if there's any other data. Yeah, maybe this one down here even. Yeah, it can go down a lot further. Populous. OMG. Oh, stay out of Populous. OMG. We've just hit support. Or it's trying to bounce here. We'll see. Maybe we'll end up with a little baby doji and nothing else. how about this? Stay out of it for now. Ontology. Let's take a look here. Nope. Stay out of that one. We're at support, I believe. Let me pull out the 12-hour. I've been wanting to do this. I wanted to do this earlier and haven't done it yet. So let's just do it now. That's how we do it. Pull into that 12-hour chart and measure the lowest point, that wick. That's all you need. Now that's when it's coming down. If it's going up, we'll talk about that later. Well, I can show you that right now here. So where's the highest point right now? Here's a come down, coming up. There you go, right there. You could pull one right there, or you could pull one right off of here. You could pull one right off of here. So yeah, I can show you as we go, but yeah, it's ontology. There's our support back on the daily. Right, we're right in the middle of it. Right in the middle of it. So let's check out XLM, Stellar Lumens. Stellar broke through support too. Wow, look at where we got out. Look at that position right there. Where are we at? Let's check it out. Man, you guys are doing well. Let's check this out. Where'd it go? There it is. There it is. 24% on 31 days. So however many Bitcoin you had, that's how much gains you've made in Stellar coming down. Not bad at all. Stellar, stay out of it, please. Is there anything lower? Yep, we got those marked out. I'm just showing you real quick. Looks like we'll be heading towards this floor here. We're at 1969 and we'll be heading towards 1422 Satoshis. Let's move on to BNB. BNB is coming down. It's still bullish. I'm not going to turn it red yet, but it just came off of a huge top and it's pulling back a little bit. It went beyond the 9 and it's trying to rally right now, but I wouldn't be surprised if we don't see a touch into the Kumo cloud. If that's the case, remember, we've got two moving averages here. We've got the 20 and the 50 day that we're going to blow through if we go into the Kumo cloud. So you might get a bounce here. I'm not sure. Come down a little bit further, then get a bounce. Stay in it. Ravencoin. What do we have? Oh, you know what? This is what I wanted to do. Let me finish this up, and I'm gonna show you guys something that's kind of cool to help you get in, enter a trade. Ravencoin coming down. Stay out of it. It's fooling around in the Kumo cloud. That's what it's doing. But stay out of it. Hot Holo. Oh, look at that. We're going red on that. Holo, get out. Get out. So hot is negative, sir. Negative. We're probably coming down to the 200-day moving average, and if that doesn't hold, this is our next stop also. VET, VeChain, stay out of it. Oh, bad day. Rough day at VeChain. That's terrible. Aeon. Also a sell. Stay out of that. WanChain. Stay out of it. Engine Coin. Oh, another day of red, and we're going to have a death cross, and then we're going to switch that over to a red and be out of it for good. There's still a little hope for a bounce. I'm going to keep it green for now. I know we're below the Kumo cloud. I said I wouldn't buy Engine Coin unless it broke above the Kumo cloud. It got into the middle of it and pulled back. We'll see what it does. Right now, what's the trend? Well, the trend right now is up. So if we can rally and go higher, that's fine too. But I'm just watching it, watching it close. Tomorrow might be a sell. Digibyte is a sell. We're in that buy zone, right? This is our buy zone. We're in the buy zone. However, we're not getting our bounce. Not yet. I mean, it's kind of trying. But since this little tip broke below, we got ourselves a new low here, people, and it doesn't look good. So let's watch this and stay out of it. Humanique, yeah, Humanique is almost a buy. Maybe tomorrow. Proppy, PRO. Look at that. We got a good day. We had 1, 2 good days. I'm going to hold off on this. Hold off. I'm not going to get into this just yet. I like where it hit this right here, the support. You see that? It just went boing, pogoed right out of there. So this works, right? Getting back into the 12 hour. Remember how we did that? Here's our run up, our first pullback. It's the lowest one. You measure from there to there off of the wick, and there is your support. Okay, so now you know it works. Okay, it's easy. It's like simple, and it just works. All right, so what was I going to say? Oh, entry points on coins that have been running. Okay, so a lot of times, like we'll take basic attention token, for example. I said, hey, let's stay in it. Okay. You've seen it pump, right? The coin just got your attention. So you say, oh, well, you might have even seen it back here, and you saw this big flag or this big old candle come up, and you're saying, well, should I buy it? No, probably not. It's going to come down. What I want you to do is, if you pull the trigger on wanting to get in, wanting to get out, get on the side of the trend. Don't go all in, go in partial. And that's how I start entering a trade. So I might take 10% of the original lump sum that I wanted to put in, like in, let's say, basic attention token. So let's say today, right here, okay, I would say, well, we're probably nearing a top of a run, or we're going to get a reversal and some relief to come down. But what if it runs higher? So what I do is I'll put in like 10, maybe even 50%. It just depends on how I feel about the coin, right? At least get a position, right? You don't need a great position. Then tomorrow, right? If tomorrow is let's pull out this right here. Let's say that it ends there, and then tomorrow it breaks lower, and then the next day it breaks even lower, right? So what you'll do is you'll say, oh, now we've got a trend coming down, and then you can get out. You might take a small loss, okay? But you don't put much in, so the loss isn't very much. But you're with the trend, and you have your first trade in that coin. Now, what you're going to do is you got your first exit, which would be, for me, this one right here, right? I didn't get a pickup at the same price. It just missed it right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait. And if we get a pull down to say down here, and I get a reversal to buy, then I'll buy it, okay? And then even if you only had 10% in here, you put that 10% in with your buy, and then the other 90, okay? And then now you're trading with the trend. Now you're back in the money. Now you're going to be able to catch this on the run up. So it doesn't matter if you want to trade every single coin that is here that I go over every day, dude, you can do that. It's easy. You just take, if you don't know, if you don't have a favorite and you're just like not feeling it, for, all of them, you can just take, if you had 1 Bitcoin and I've got 30 coins here, take that 1 Bitcoin, divide it by 30. And that's how much you could go all in on with 1 coin. And you'll watch your gains grow on every coin all the way up. So, instead of 1/30th, you might end up with, 1/25th, and then 1/20th, and then 1/10th of a coin. And then you'll start growing Bitcoin for your big stack up here. That's all these alts are good for, right? The way I'm trading is I like these coins, don't get me wrong, but my main goal is to make Bitcoin and money, right? That's what we want to do. So if I can use these altcoins, for making gains in Bitcoin and inevitably dollars, then I'm doing really well. So that's just a little peek inside of my brain as to how I trade. So right now I would take basic attention token, BNB, and Engine, and I would get in on them in a small position and just see where you're real small, right? Because they're nearing the top and we're in a downtrend for a lot of these coins, and just see where it goes. And we'll get out. We're going to get out, at some point. And you won't get wrecked, but if you money manage, right? But at least you have skin in the game. When you have skin in the game and you're playing and you're on the right side of the trade, things go well. Things go real nice. Okay, that's it for today. I'm out of here. Gotta go shopping. Eek. Talk to y'all soon. We'll see ya. I am out. God bless you guys. See you tomorrow.